Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have an unboxing that we have never tried before. Actually, I've never even heard of this one before until one of you suggested it to give it a shot. And that's kind of the plan for this channel for the most part, is to be the guinea pig and order as many as we can find so that you can kind of get an idea of what you're going to see if you order from said company. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. All right, so another fancy box, 2 weeks in a row, Saturday and today. This one is from Gifts from Mickey. It's all coming up right now. All right, so little backstory. So like I said, we've never ordered from this company before and went through the process. And if I remember right, this one had preferences. Went through the whole ordering process. It never said, I think it showed taxes, but it never did say how much shipping was. And as you know from last Saturday's video, I was a little angry about spending $40 in shipping. This one. I fill out my credit card information, I click pay. After it accepts my credit card, it tells me how much shipping was. $60. Did you say $16? $60. So, $60. But wait, it gets worse! So, we ordered this weeks ago. They started sending me emails saying, how did you enjoy your box? Did you like it? Please rate it. I just got this today. Today is, what is today? The 27th of April. I just got this today. They've been sending me emails saying, how did you like it? Guess what? Happened a week ago. They charged me for my second month's box. Before I even got my first month's in my hands and could decide if I liked it or not. I'm $320 into a company that I have no idea how it's going to go. So let's dive right in and find out, because I'm about to lose my mind on this one. Whoa! Hold the phone there, crabby pants. So, after I shot this whole video and all that happy stuff, I started emailing Gifts from Mickey, and they responded immediately. And I said I wanted to cancel, and I was having trouble. It wouldn't recognize my email address and let me log in, and I was frustrated. And she said, I can just manually help you cancel from here. She helped me out very much, very polite. What I said about them charging me and then charging me for the second month before I even received the first month, I was mistaken. They did not charge me when I first signed up. The first time they charged, I saw a receipt, didn't realize that the bottom had zeros on it. Then when they did ship it, the receipt was confusing, and that's where the problem is. On the very top of the notification that they had charged me, it said renewal notification. Renewal made me think second month. So I don't necessarily pay attention to the charges on my card because I'm an idiot. So they only charged me once. She was very polite. She canceled the subscription for me. I talked with her back and forth a little bit about some of the product issues I had. Later in this video, I say that they have no preferences. She stated that they have male, female, and neutral, and that I did not select one of those, so it must have been a little confusing. I order this kind of stuff all the time, and I don't know how I messed it up, but apparently I messed it up. On with the show. Okay, now, open mind. The other thing is, $60 in shipping. This weighs 4 pounds, 2 ounces. So, unless they called SpaceX and decided that they wanted to send me a box that had been to the moon and back, there is no call for that kind of price for shipping. Alright, first things first. We have some tissue paper, and it looks like we've got some maps from the parks. So we have boop, Magic Kingdom, boop, Animal Kingdom, and boop, there it is. Flower and Garden Festival at Epcot. Kind of cute, little keepsakes. I wonder how Disney feels about them handing these out in their boxes, because you know that they just gotta walk in the park and go yoink and take a bunch of them, which, you know, whatever. Cute though, I'm glad to have them. Alright, so, again, have never seen this. Gifts from Mickey. Let's start with Mickey. So, this looks like a charm to hang on your backpack, and everyone knows I love Mickey. It's super cute. I think that it looks like ink and paint, doesn't it? I'll put a better picture on the turntable. Boop. Okay, so first things first. This came from Disney Parks. Well, I mean, originally it could have come from Character Warehouse or, you know, who knows. But if this is ink and paint, which I'm not sure if it. I mean, the apron looks like it, but I'm not positive. You know, who knows? $12.99. All right. We are knocking the dollars off to the $320 that I'm invested. Next one's coming thumping into our lives. There's no confetti to play with. Thumper is cute. So Thumper, parks price $19.99. Not upset about that at all. All right. Let's move along to... So this is okay. Well, I'm just going to let you see what I see. Now, like, I'm not trying to be picky or anything, but it's been opened. And maybe this is just to protect it. No, it's actually got packing materials in here. I am gonna... So it says Carl and Ellie, $20. So I am actually going to do a little research and see if I can figure out if that price is right. The price is right. Or not. I'm just curious. Is this a Christmas ornament? I'm gonna be... All right. So that's pretty funny because in January on Shop Disney, they were practically giving that away. It's cute though. I am a fan of Up. I am a fan of Christmas ornaments. Maybe not April, but it's cute. So yeah, so the price tag on this, so its original price was the I don't know if you can see that or not. $19.95. Hey, they upped it by 4 cents. That's messed up. All right, so Christmas ornament in April. All right. Maybe shipping was high because they had to go to the North Pole. Alrighty, bubble wrap. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if you saw our video on Mouse Marketplace not too long ago. If you haven't, I'll put a link in the description down below. That one didn't go over well. So this... First of all, I really don't think this is a Disney snack. Second of all, even if it is, the parks have been closed for so long. Like, I wouldn't eat that. But looking at the jelly beans, I'm gonna try and get a good... I'm gonna try and get a good picture of it in the photo box, and boop, hopefully you can see how crusty those jelly beans look. Wow! And I know that we get super spoiled from Magic at Your Door and Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, But do like the average Disney fans get something like this and get excited about it? Because that like makes me angry. I mean, are you gonna give this to a little kid? Who knows? There's no nutrition facts, just like the other company. There's no date or expiration or anything on this to tell you if you can eat it or not. So I'm not. Moving on. Ding. Alright. So Disney Park Pals holds on to you or your favorite accessories. So it's one of those little, his arms are clippies, and you can kind of clip them on something, and then that's it. I like Figment. Figment's cute. This is a Disney product. It's $12. Judging by the what kind of shape the package is in, it's been around for a bit. Okay. Ooh, display stand included. Alright. Moving on. Oh no, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, we're gonna save that, what I just saw. Let's go into this. So here's the one thing that's pretty heavy. Oh wait, I might still, okay boy. Sorry. Alright, so this says Germany. So I think that these are snacks from Germany. Mm-hmm. Nope, not even close. Ew. This has been touched by like a million humans. I'm not gonna touch it anywhere. You see where I'm holding this? I'm gonna put this in the photo box and boop. All right. $16.50. I swear somebody's had a beer out of this. All right. Okay. Looks like the second to last thing. Disney Pixar Loungefly, and this, I believe, would be Cinderella, judging by the... Oh yeah, Bo Peep. Never mind. It's the same blue. Bo Peep! They're right. Fine. $40. Oh yeah, plus it's Pixar. You know what? This is cute. Oh, the inside. Mary's gonna like the inside. It is purple and polka dotted. Lots of cards. I feel like Loungefly. I don't know if you can. I don't know how long ago that one came out. I haven't seen it. So give me in the comments down below. Let me know if you know how long this has been around. Just so I can... I just want to give you the best grasp on what they're putting in these boxes so that you can make your most informed decision on which one to buy from when you decide to do so. Okay. Okay. So, maybe these... I was thinking maybe these weren't from the parks, but I think they might be. So maybe I'm getting all bent out of shape for nothing. It has a Disney tag on it. I'm pretty sure... Yeah, these are from the parks. Okay. I'll quit complaining. And what, these go for $29.95 now? Something like that. We don't do ears here. We don't even own... Well, we own a pair. These are cute. Mini. Red. Sequin. They bling. They will probably end up on a grandkid. Okay. So... This could not have been... I ordered so many boxes, I apologize. I will have to double check and put the information in the description below if this one did have preferences. Because if it did have preferences, they didn't read them. at all. So they couldn't have had preferences because honestly, none of these things. This would have been acceptable for our normal preferences. The rest, not at all. So it must be one of the ones that does not have preferences. There was another one that we just found that was very in-depth, and I'm excited to get that one. Obviously, it's not this one. We don't have preferences for up. We always say we don't want ears or hats. Thumper would not be a character that we would either would. And the Corona Stein. Okay. Good news is I've got another one of these coming. So maybe I'll have to do a giveaway or something. All right. I don't know. I will put what we try to figure out is the actual value of what we got in here. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm really thinking that the majority of this is from the character warehouse because I think everyone saw this on Shop Disney for I think it was like $5 in February or January. Getting a little red in the face. Okay, so boop, that's how much it was valued at. And like I said, $100 for the box, $60. $60 for shipping. Awesome. All right, if you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was a box from Mickey Monthly. Check that video out right here. And if you'd like to subscribe, click the button right here. And I hope we're getting a good box soon. Have a great day.